So now that all of you have your WordPress sites and you're up and running, we're going to start adding a little bit of content to them. So we're going to add a couple more pages, and the pages are going to be things that we'll be doing throughout the course of this class. Now, a lot of you are probably saying, oh, I've got my blog up and this, that, and the other thing, but I'm not really sure how to go in and start adding new pages, and it's really, really easy. So I'm going to go to my main web page that I have now, and you can see right now I've only got home, which is your blog, and I've got my about page, which has a little bit about me. Okay? So when it's time for you to add something else, it's really not that tough to do. What I'm going to do is we're going to go up here and go to my dashboard, okay? Or you can go directly to new and page. Either one is okay. But let me show you from the dashboard first. I'm going to go to dashboard, and in here you can see there's a section that says pages. Okay? So in here I'm going to go to add new, and in the add new page I'm going to give this page a title. Now the ones that I've asked you to do are gallery, and also animations, and also games. Those are the three new ones that I wanted in there. So for now, let's call this one gallery. Now eventually what we're going to do is we're going to put things in here, but right now you probably don't have any pictures that you'd like to put into your gallery, and that's totally fine. So for now you're going to put something along the lines of coming soon, or check back regularly for more content. Anything like that is okay. Alright. When you are ready and you have that page made, you're going to go to publish. Okay, and now if we take a look and view the page, you should notice that in your navigation bar, hey, now I've got a gallery there. Okay, and this is what it looks like. Now, if you want to have things like your leave a reply for almost as if this is a blog page, this is fine. You can take that thing out if you want to, and the way that you take that out is by going to your dashboard again. And it takes me there, my dashboard. Okay, going to your page. Okay, so my gallery page, I'm going to edit. Okay, and then there's default templates in here. There's a sidebar template, showcase. You can have the about page as your parent. You can change things as far as what you want to have on your page. Now, one more thing that you can do to change how your page ends up looking is by going over here into Appearance and by going into Widgets. Now, we've already gone into Appearance Themes, and there's all different types of themes here, and they're laid out all kinds of different ways, and a lot of them are really, really nice looking. However, if we go in here to Widgets, we can also go ahead and change a lot of this stuff. So, for example, on my main sidebar, I've got Follow Blog and a Facebook Like box. Okay, and then there's different areas like footers and footer area 2 and showcase sidebar and that kind of stuff. Now let's pretend in this main sidebar I've also decided that in addition to these two things I want to put in a RSS link. So I'm going to take this, I'm going to drag that into there, and I've got RSS links in there. I'll just put sample title for now and hit save. And let's pretend I'm going to put a tag cloud in, but I'm going to put that in the footer area. I'm not really quite sure. I don't use the footer area very much, so I'm not really quite sure where this is going to show up. But I'll call this tag cloud. Whoops, tag cloud. Hit save. Now if I go in and I take a look at my site, it should, I think I saved that too, right? Yeah. It should look a little bit different. So let me go into here. Okay. And then, hey, sample title, RSS posts, RSS comments. Okay, so that stuff is in there now. And if I scan all the way to the bottom, I think I will end up with that tag cloud. Where are you, bottom? There we go. So now at the bottom, I've got the tag cloud, Aries, animation, codify, all the things that are in my blog are now down here. So there are a bunch of ways to go in and customize your different pages if you want to do different things. And what I want you to do is, again, experiment. Come up with things that you think are going to be useful for your particular blog, and come up with things that are going to look nice. Don't make it too cluttered, but don't make it too basic either. You want to have options for people that go to your site to be able to do things. So make sure that you get that finished and enjoy. And if you have any questions, please get in contact with me either via email or you can Skype me. Thanks.